Good morning, everyone. I am seeing a lot of butterflies on the butterfly bush this morning, and it's in the sun right now. I think I'm headed down there with my camera. I've taken way less butterfly pictures this year than normal. We're supposed to have lower dew point this afternoon. That'll be a relief, but we're going to be in, a little 90, 92 today, something like that again. But no rain. No rain. It's drying out a little bit. Hi, Gray. Yeah, when Johnny was here, he said in the mornings if he was up, but mainly at night at the normal time, she comes out of wherever she is and comes over and she waits for me. She knows the routine. She hears me in the kitchen prepping the food and stuff. I got our box moved a little more out of the way now that those blue bins are gone. And miss Johnny. There, I said it, but, I can't say a lot about it because I'll start crying. There's my handsome guy, my tuxedo. He's a good sleeper at night, let me tell you. We all should be so lucky to sleep as good as that cat. Hi, Morris. You coming, buddy? He was in the wicker chair. Come on, bud. Come on, Morris. Good morning. Come on, bud. Come on up. There you go. Good morning, honey. Good morning. He had some dry chow at midnight. They don't really like to eat when it's super hot, so sometimes the other critters come and get the food, and then later on in the evening they're hungry. It changes up in the wintertime. They would never get off their heated pad at midnight to come just get some dry chow. Different times of year, different strategies. Hey, Stripey. So we're in Robot, and we're actually headed over to Michelle's house now to drop something off. Text messages ensued, and we had already left home, and then we went back and we grabbed something, and now we're back out, and we're probably going to walk, and we might swing in Guardian Angel, and there's one other errand we need to run, and we'll just do what we fit in. It's 91 out there, so ask me how excited I am about going for a walk today. I show up to give her something, and she's got stuff for me. There's hamburger kitties and permaids.
Permaids.
So cute. I got the yellow all the way around on the fence now.
I sure do.
Yeah.
That doesn't look new.
No, I think they cleaned it and then put it back up, which was the right answer. We're finally out here at 4:20 p.m. to walk. I said let's go down the Jeff Wells Trail. It's not 100% in the shade, but it's fairly shady. The only problem with starting it on this end is it's uphill on the second half. There's, a good bit of people enjoying the splash pad and the playground. There's 20 families here. Well, it definitely feels like summer today. Don't tempt me to go over there and stand under the bucket if I didn't have my new sneakers on.
That's right.
Well, it definitely did work out that most of this trail is in the shade.
Yep. I'm happy with it right now.
I'd like to be going downhill instead of uphill.
We're getting our steps in.
We are. I didn't stop to shoot I'm going to work on this video, but I did. I swapped out the magenta. I finished the tiling the lower floor. I see now I forgot to put one here, but I came in and I put got rid of the white. And I decided to add the bedroom in, but make the backside roof line look the same as the front. Which is not what he did at all. He had like a patio thing up there, and I just couldn't stand looking at it from the side and it not being right. So I've got more to do. I've got some parts coming to finish it, and yeah, I'm happy with what I did today, the 4 windows and the slopes on the backside.